Well, hello guys, it is Lmao here. Today is a taste testing video and I have something interesting I picked up at my, well, not local, since I don't live in the capital, but a Asian market I found in the online. I bought some other stuff too from the Asian market, but this really caught my eye. It's called Wonder Farm Bird's Nest White Fungus. It's a drink. It has bird's nest. I know some birds make their nest from their saliva, and especially in the Asia they eat those nests and make soup. But this is a drink. It has white fungus and bird's nest. This is what it looks like, the can. I have no idea what to expect. I've never had white fungus, whatever it is. I've never had bird's nest. That's really exotic for me because I'm from Finland. I don't know if you're supposed to drink this chilled or warm, so I just had it in the fridge. But I have a glass, so let's pour this into a glass and see what it looks like. Oh, it is quite chunky. Oh, you can see like things floating in there. I suppose that's the white fungus? Or maybe that's the bird's nest. Oh my, oh my goodness, the smell. The smell is not that nice. Oh wait, now that I actually smell it again, now it smells better. Now it smells like vanilla. But yeah, the floaties, not really looking all that appetizing, but let's taste what it tastes like. Oh boy, that texture is so weird. It's really slimy. It's really slimy, and the pieces, the floaties, they're like jello, like really slimy. It's really sweet. The flavor of the drink itself, it's really sweet. And there is like a artificial vanilla flavor. Let me see what the can says. Ingredients: water, white fungus, sugar, thickener E406, synthetic sweetener, artificial vanilla flavor, well there it is, acidity regulator, bird's nest. Store in a cool, dry place. Avoid sunlight. Best served chilled soon after opening. Sometimes product will have color change and natural sediment. Does not affect product quality. So yeah, it was supposed to be chilled, like I chilled it. And yeah, there is like an artificial vanilla flavor, like it is said in the can. It's quite interesting. There's also like something else to taste. I can't really describe it. It's weird, it's strange, the side taste. Okay, so imagine you're ironing your clothing and this tastes like, there's like a side taste. It tastes like your clothing smells like when you iron your clothing. You know what I mean? That is so weird. I mean, it's not bad. It's not bad, but it does kind of feel like I'm drinking snot. You know, spit. But yeah, that's probably because the bird's nest is made out of saliva. But it's not bad. It feels kind of weird, the jello-like consistency of the Probably the fungus or the bird's nest, I don't know. It feels kinda weird. I'm not really used to that kind of texture, but it's not bad. I would give it a score of 6 out of 10, maybe. I don't really like the artificial vanilla that much either. It's really artificial, you can tell. But yeah, 6 out of 10 bird's nest drink. White fungus bird's nest. So, if you're looking to be adventurous and if you want to try something exotic, go look for this in Asian markets, wherever you live. You can probably find an Asian market somewhere, and they probably will have this in their stock, I would assume. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'm gonna go and enjoy the rest of my snot. Thank you for watching, and let me know what I should try to drink in my other videos. I'll probably do more exotic Asian taste testing videos when I can order some more Asian stuff. But yeah, let me know what you would like to see me test next. Have a good one. Bye bye.